Hey everybody, it's Jenna with Uncomplicated Kitchen, and today we are going to make what I call the yummiest hummus. Hummus can be made in a lot of different ways, but this happens to be my favorite method. So, to start, we need a 1/4 cup of tahini. Tahini is sesame seed paste. It is ground up sesame seeds and nothing more. Tahini gives it that really nutty flavor. All right, so the 1/4 cup of tahini is in there. Now we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. You could use the stuff in the bottle, that is okay too. So immersion blender, we're gonna do what's called creaming these ingredients together. All right, so 2 garlic cloves. Because we're using an immersion blender, we do not have to worry about mincing it really finely. Just give it a good whack and throw it in. Perfect. Now 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Beautiful. 2 teaspoons of cumin. Cumin is super fragrant, and I think hummus is not hummus without it, but if you do not like cumin, you can absolutely leave it out. And now a teaspoon of kosher salt. Going right in. We're gonna reconnect your immersion blender, and we're gonna blend again. I added 1 can of rinsed and drained garbanzo beans, but if you're cooking your own beans in a pressure cooker or slow cooker, you need about 1½ cups. That's the equivalent to 1 can. And now we're gonna break these down a bit. Okay, to help the blending along and to create a really ethereal, smooth hummus, we're gonna add a couple tablespoons of water. I've blended until everything looks really, really smooth. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna ensure that everything came off the bottom, and I'm gonna scrape down the sides before I give it that final blitz. Perfect, it's ready to go. As always, we gotta see how we did. Lemon, garlic, cumin, the whole shebang, and loads of protein to boot. This is one yummy hummus. Thank you for cooking with me. Bye.